Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter number 8, Who is Heavier. See, as in the picture you can see a girl is thinking that the groundnut looks so much more than jaggery, right? So what is behind her thought and what is this picture about? Let us see. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery, that is also called good, and groundnuts. So this is a picture of Shabnam. One day she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnuts. So see, in both of her hands, in one hand it is a good, another it is groundnut. Weight of both the packets are 1 kilogram, but she is thinking that the groundnut is looking much more. You know that kilogram is also written as kg. See here in the second line it is mentioned that 1 kg, that is kg refers to the kilogram. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery? Is weight or do they just look more? So the groundnut is equal in weight with the jaggery, but it just look more. So the answer you will write like this: no, the groundnut do not weigh more than jaggery. Both of them are equal in weight, that is 1 kilogram. They only look more in number as compared to jaggery. See here. Guess 1 kilogram popcorn packet will look more or 1 kilogram sugar. So answer would be 1 kilogram popcorn. If we compare peas and potatoes, 1 kilogram peas would look more. So you can go to the market if you are allowed to these days, as you are in lockdown. If you are allowed, you can go to the market and you can check it by yourself, or you can check it at your home also. See, pumpkin tomato panga. Panga means jagda, ladai, right? So this is the playground where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seesaw. One day a big pumpkin comes and sits on the one side of the seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decide to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. So here in the picture you can see that. So the little tomatoes start climbing onto the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 25. The pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decide to help the little ones get down and make a way for the fat ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 20. Yeah, the pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down please. So here was the panga all about between tomatoes and pumpkin. Here seesaw is used to show weight, right? See, if you have seen a weighing machine, it is just like seesaw. Guess how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up, right? Big fat tomatoes, it was 25. So for small tomatoes it must be up to 40. How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? So mangoes like this, we can write approximately 15 mangoes can lift the pumpkin, can balance the pumpkin. How many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? So it depends upon your weight. So you can write around 7, 8 or whatever you want to write. It means it should balance you. So it should be by your weight, depend on your weight. So name some of your classmates who you think weigh almost same as you. So this you can write by your own. You can also write the classmate who is who weigh more than you, who weigh less than you also. This you have to write it by your own. Then how many books can you lift on one hand keeping your arm straight? So it may be 2, 3, 4, so whatever. So I am writing here 4. You can write the number of book you can lift. See this. Double her weight. Double means 2 times, right? So Kunjama's parents have different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunjama was born on that day. See, Independence Day and Kunjama's birthday is on the same day. So they buy sweets double of Kunjama's weight and distribute them among poor people. So this is really an interesting way of celebrating Kunjama's birthday. What do? They buy double the Kunjama's weight, sweets of double the Kunjama's weight. They buy sweets double the Kunjama's weight, मतलब कुंजमा का जितना वजन है उससे double, right? And distribute them among the poor people. So when Kunjama was born, she was 3 kilogram. Today is Independence Day and Kunjama is 5 years old and she is 28 kilogram now. So now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. So here is the list also given in your textbook. See, in the first column Kunjama's age Kunjama's age is given, second column Kunjama's weight is given, and in the third column amount of sweets is given. So at the birth Kunjama was 3 kilogram, so amount of sweets would be double, that is 3 plus 3 or 3 into 2 equals to 6 kilogram. At the age of 1 year old she was 9 kilogram, she weighed 9 kilogram. So amount of sweets to be distributed is 9 plus 9, that is 18 kilogram. After 2 years the sweet distributed was 26 kilogram, that is 13 plus 13, so her weight would be 13 kilogram. After 3 years she was 17 kilogram, so this amount of sweets would be 17 plus 17 equals to 34 kilogram. After 4 years of old she must be, see this is just a guess, so you can write your own. So I am writing 22 kilograms, so this amount of sweets would be 22 plus 22, that is double of 22, 44 kilogram. After 5 years of old, 28 kilograms, she weighed 28 kilograms, so 28 plus 28, that is 56 kilogram. So you can ask your parents how much a 2-year-old or 4-year-old child could weigh. This you have to find out from your parents. Yum Yum rice. Sugoto heard about a new dish on the radio. He wants to try making it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. This is what he notes down. See, your parents are mostly your mummy must be finding recipe on YouTube and other sources. So here Sugoto heard a new dish on the radio and he noted down, and what he notes down is on your screen. First, pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. 2 spoons is little, right? Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kg of red chili powder, 1 bowl salt. Now put a spoon of rice, add 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Finally add 1 kilogram of onions. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Sugoto feels there is something very wrong in the amounts of everything, and what he feels is correct, because everything here is not correct. He will make Yum Yum rice by this recipe. It would be something else. कोई भी नहीं खा पाएगा, right? So let us correct it. Help him match the things with the right amounts. See, 1 kilogram rice, half kilogram dal, then peas would be 1 bowl, 8 glasses of water, 2 onions, 1 pinch of salt, 2 spoons of mustard seeds, and 1 spoon red chili powder he'll need. Then only he can make Yum Yum rice. Activity time. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion, ginger. even flour and Maggi, anything, biscuits, anything, right? So here is a tentative list. This is just a list for your reference. You can make your own list, right? Things and amount you buy it. So this is just a list for your reference. You can make your own list, and I insist that you make your own list. You can take help of your parents, mom or dad, and can make this list. Guess their weights and match. So here some animals as well as some things are given, so you have to guess their weight and you have to match. So you have to match with the weight given the center. So this suitcase would be of 10 kilogram. Then of course elephant more than 1000 kilogram. Then cow 400 kilogram. 2 kg for puppy. 80 kg for this bag of grains, and less than 1 kg for mango. Guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram and which one will weigh less than 1 kilogram. So here is the list. Your school bag will be more than 1 kilogram. Geometry box will be less than 1 kilogram. A brick will be more than 1 kilogram. A big pumpkin will be more than kilogram, and your pair of slippers will be less than kilogram. So bring a balance and 1 kg weight to class and check if your guess was right. See, we already have a balance in our school, so as soon as we'll return to our school, if we can, then we'll do this activity definitely. Use your balance to find out which of the following is heavier, a water bottle or a cricket ball. So water bottle will be heavier. Your shoe or your pencil box. Of course your shoes will be heavier. Your maths books or your Hindi book. So maths book is heavier. And the last one, your bag or your friend's bag. This I am not giving you answer, you can write it on your own. One more thing I would like to tell you, that you have to you can make a balance at your home with the help of some thermocol ball or any other thing, right? And a stick. You try to make it, you take a picture and you can send to me on my WhatsApp. See, weigh 1 kilo mud or sand. In that see, if you'll make your balance, you can weigh 1 kilo of sand or mud, divide it into 2 bags. Use the balance to check if both the bags have equal weight. Each bag of mud is your half kg weight. Use it to weigh some more things around you. See, if you do not have 1 kilogram weight at your home, you can use so many packets available at your home, like salt packet of 1 kilogram. You can use that. Make a list of things weighing less than half kilogram and things weighing more than half kilogram. So this you will find it from your kitchen, that there are so many things which weighing less than half kilogram or more than half kilogram. So here different kinds of weights you can see in the picture. So look for the weights and balances. Make a trip to nearest junk dealer, vegetable shop, grocery shop. Have a look at the weight they use. Find out. See, as you are in lockdown, you are not supposed to go out, but if you get a chance to go out of your house, look for the balance used in the different shops, right? So and also try to find out that who uses the biggest weight, who uses the smallest weight. Have you seen any of these balances? Means the given in the picture, have you seen any of the balances? So the 4 kind of balances are given in the picture. These are the weights, that is of 10 kilogram, 2 kilogram and 500 gram. So in which shop would you find the following types of weight? Discuss with your friend. This we will discuss in the online class. That's all for today. If you like the video, you please click on the like button and also subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed for more updates. Thank you and have a nice day.